Welcome to Module 10, Lesson 2. You're going to turn to page 236. For this lesson, our I can statement is, I can add or subtract by counting on or counting back on a number line. In the last lesson, we used a hundreds chart to practice counting on and counting back. This time, we're going to use a number line. Let's look at the Build Understanding problem on page 236. Jasmine scored 82 on her first spelling test. On her second spelling test, Jasmine scored 15 points more than on her first test. What did Jasmine score on her second spelling test? Use tools below to solve. Her first score was 82. Her second score was 15 points more. So let's show her first score on the number line. Her first score was 82. We're going to put a point on the number line at 82. So we'll circle it on the hundreds chart and put the point on 82. Now we know that she scored 15 points more. I know that 15 is made of 1 10 and 5 ones. So when I show this on my 100 chart, I can show 10 more with 92 and 5 more. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now we can also show this on a number line. I know that 10 more than 82 is 92. So I can find 92 and make my jump of 10. Now I can make 5 jumps, of each one being 1 to get to my answer. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So here's plus 10, plus 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So I added 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Letter B asks us how many more points Jasmine scored. We know she scored 15 more points. We went ahead and already showed how to add those. Now let's solve and complete the equation. We know she started with 82 points on her first test. She got 15 points more on her second test. Look back at our hundreds chart and number line to find the answer. You should have found she scored 97 points on her second spelling test. Let's look at the next problem. There are 36 ducks swimming in the pond. 24 ducks fly away. Now how many ducks are swimming in the pond? You can show this problem on an open number line. An open number line does not have any tick marks. So see how it's completely empty? We know that the numbers still exist, right? We have 36 here. It just doesn't give us every single number. We'll write them in. So the first thing it asks us is how many ducks are swimming in the pond? Well, at the beginning, 36 were. That's given to us on our number line. Letter B asks us how many ducks fly away? We know that 24 ducks fly away. We're going to show how to do this on a number line. Just like when we were using a hundreds chart, we're going to think about 24 as 2 10s and 4 ones. So let's go back our 2 10s first. 1 10 less than 36 is 26. Let's go back one more 10. 10 less than 26 is 16. Now we'll go back 4 ones. 1 less than 16 is 15. 1 less is 14. 1 less is 13, so we've done 3 jumps. We need to do 1 more. And 1 less is 12. So how many ducks are still swimming? 12 ducks. Let's go ahead and write our equation right here under the duck picture. We started with 36 ducks. When 24 ducks flew away, we were left with 12 ducks still swimming in the pond. Okay, let's look at check understanding. You're given a number line here to use. You can choose to use this number line or to create your own open number line. Number 1 reads, there are 47 pencils in a box. 13 children each take a pencil. How many pencils are still in the box? So we started with 47, and then 13 children took a pencil each. Number 2 says, John has 31 marbles. He finds 17 more marbles. How many marbles does John have now? So he starts with 31, and then he finds another 17. So you'll find how many marbles he has now. Go ahead and solve. If you need more time, pause the video. Let's look at number 1. We started with 47 pencils. If 13 children take a pencil each, we need to count back by 13. 10 less than 47 is 37. Then I can count back 3 ones. I know there are 34 pencils left in the box. For number 2, John has 31 marbles. He finds 17 more. That's 1 10 and 7 ones. I know 10 more than 31 is 41. Then I need to find 7 more than 41. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 more than 41 is 48. So John has 48 marbles.